Welcome. We have a nice Scania V8 for sale. 2022. 529,000 kilometers. Let me see. Brakes pretty good. Clutch 100%. Two fridges. Microwave. Coffee machine. Small bed on the side. Alcohol lock. Let's see if we can start it now, or we need to have a test. That wasn't so bad. V8 package with the leather seats, the red stitches. Suspension works like it should. Winter tires, 6x4 Scania 590. Blue bar, top bar, air rims, no damages. Aluminium backplates. No rust in the cabin, no rust in the chassis, only a little bit on the bolts. The back also nice tires, 7-8mm, also winter tires. If you have any questions about the truck, just give us a call, don't hesitate. And for our Norwegian clients, we also have possibility to come with a finance offer to you. Have a nice day.